Katie. I'm going to jump right into this video. We're currently traveling in Vietnam right now as a family, so I am clearly not in my studio right now. This video is being recorded at our hotel room. I wanted to make sure I packed some art supplies, so I grabbed one of these bathroom bags that had some different compartments, but wasn't too big, so I could easily put it into my backpack. And what I brought was this little folder filled with note cards and some tissue paper because I like to incorporate that into my collage work. Also brought some of these watercolor postcards so we can create some of those and mail them to our friends and family back home. And this is nice because it's nice and compact and very thin, so I can kind of sneak this in the back of this zipper pouch right here. And then before I left, I grabbed some miscellaneous pens and markers from the studio. I have a Sharpie in there, a mechanical pencil, and of course a couple paint markers with some different colors. I also packed a few paintbrushes because I am packing along some watercolor crayons, which I'll get to here shortly. And then in this side, I packed some mechanical pencil refills. Of course, some sticky notes and some tags for when I'm reading and I can mark things, and then a little thin roll of washi tape there. Because we all know washi tape always comes in handy for all sorts of things. And then here I have my Crayon Dash watercolor crayons. Since I didn't pack any paint, I thought the watercolor crayons would be helpful to create a little painted effect when I need it. Also packed some of my mini business cards just in case I need to hand those out while I'm here. And then I did bring a glue roller as well because those also come in handy and they're easy to pack and not messy at all. And then I grabbed this just yesterday at a cute little stationery store. It's very light, and because I like to do circles and half circles a lot, I thought it would come in handy. I left this last section fairly empty because I know I'm going to pick up some scrap paper and other interesting things along the way. And then the last thing is this nice journal here, which I will link below, filled with watercolor paper. It's super cute and small. I think it's 4x4, and that fits perfectly in this little bag as I fold it up. And then that's it. Hope you enjoyed. I'll be sharing some other videos while we're traveling here soon. Cheers!